We started the business October of last year, 2024. We really wanted to have our own business, kami nung sister ko. Actually, siya yung nakaisip ng name na Dahil Coffee. We know that every person, no, lahat naman tayo, meron tayong kanya-kanyang dahil sa life. And kami, since ang lahat ng mga tao naman, especially the Filipinos ngayon, kasama nila yung coffee sa everyday nila. So we wanted to make it na parang Dahil Coffee is here with them to reach their own dahils in life. We started off na coffee lang yung mga sinaserve namin, all the drinks, and then we realized na dumadami na yung pumupunta sa amin. Wanting to reserve the place for some meetings, yung iba, events, birthday parties, bridal showers. And that's when we started offering mga rice meals, all-day breakfast, and then pastas. And then now meron na rin kaming mga snacks, fries, and nachos.
Dahil ang lahat ng mga tao ay mahilig sa kape, samahan niyo kami dito sa Home Vibes, sa Small Cafe. Ang negosyo namin ngayon ay kitang-kita.
Tingnan mo nga naman itong napaka-hardworking na bahay na ito dito sa may Olympus Street, dito sa may Barangay Kaligayahan, na talaga naman na-convert from a simple functional home, co-working space at cafe. Cafe na siya na may tuturing. Talaga namang neighborhood cafe siya, neighborhood coffee shop siya. Tingnan nyo, mayroong pwedeng mag-meeting, ang mga nanay at tatay natin dito, family, pwedeng kumain, mag-breakfast, mag-coffee. Mayroong mga ka-meeting, halimbawa, may mga business presentation kayo dyan. Pwede yan dito. Napakaganda at napaka-conducive ng lugar. Hindi po ba? Kumbaga, at times, co-working space, gano'n nabanggit ko. At times, coffee shop. More than anything, coffee shop siya talaga. At one-stop shop siya kasi lahat ng pwede mo masubukang kape at mga pagkain dito, pwede at ino-offer ito ni Regina Escoto. Hi, Ren. Good morning.
Hi, good morning po.
Bati ka naman sa mga kabarangay natin.
Hi po sa mga taga-barangay Kaligayahan.
Oo, napakapalad ng barangay Kaligayahan kasi may ganitong neighborhood coffee shop, may neighborhood cafe. Kailan nag-open itong iyong negosyo?
We just opened po last year of October.
Bago
Yes,
lang. Mag-1 year na rin. Mag-1 year na rin.
Yes.
May 10 months na rin. Pero ito ay binuksan mo kasama ng iyong kapatid.
Yes, my elder sister po, si Teresa Arseca.
Hi, Teresa. Nag-work si Teresa, kaya si Reg muna ngayon. Okay, so ano ang kwento ninyong dalawa? Ang background nyo ay ng family ay talaga namang enterprising, di ba? Negosyante talaga ang mga pamilya, mga magulang mo. Anong background nyo?
My parents po, well, in my father's side, they own a school. They're running a school from preschool to college po.
And then, ine-expect ng mga magulang, syempre, kayo magte-take over doon. But then again, bigla kayo nag-divert to building a coffee shop. Bakit coffee shop ang inyong naisipan?
My parents po kasi they don't put any pressure on us. So, it's up to us kung ano yung gusto namin gawin, kung ano yung mahiligan namin. And me and my sister, we really wanted to pursue something na business-related. And ito yung isang nakita namin na magandang idea for business.
Oo. At saka syempre, gusto nyo. Di ba?
Yes.
Gusto nyo yung negosyo nyo, mahal nyo yung negosyo nyo. Kayo ba'y mahilig kasi sa coffee or mahilig kayo magluto?
Coffee drinkers.
Coffee. Ito, iba't ibang mga coffee concoctions na nga ito. Ano ba itong mga pinapakita natin ngayon?
This one is the tiramisu latte with matcha.
What?
And then this one is the orange espresso.
Uy, pwede yun.
And this one is one of our best sellers, the sea salt latte.
Pwede yan.
Yes.
Itong iniinom ko ngayon.
This one po is the brown sugar cinnamon oat latte naman po siya.
Okay. And then this one?
And this one is our famous Dalgona latte.
Dalgona.
Yes.
Trending yan, hindi ba? Of course, meron tayong fries in a box. Meron din tayo. Lahat pwedeng kainin dito. Pwedeng take out. Pwede for delivery.
Pwede po.
Ito pang breakfast to. Yeah.
We have all-day breakfast. This is the adobo flakes. And then we also have our famous tapa. And then, of course, we have our pastas. We have our carbonara, our gambas. We also have pestos. And our famous po na cropples here sa North Olympus. Lagi pong sold out to. We have our Biscoff, our almond chocolate, and then our s'mores.
Okay. Ang maganda dito, yung konsepto nyo, all-day breakfast. Gusto natin tayo mga Pinoy, hindi ba? Buong araw, buong gabi, breakfast food, hindi ba? Kombinasyon lang naman siya ng ulam, and then fried rice or rice, simple rice, and then egg, di ba?
Yes.
So, yung concept, sino nakaisip ng concept na ito?
With the name po, Dahil Coffee, it was actually my sister.
Dahil Coffee,
Yes.
oh.
Yung iba, they thought it's just because of the Dahil Coffee is life.
Oo.
But the deeper meaning into that is that everyone has their own dahil in life. Bakit kayo nagtatrabaho? Dahil may pamilya akong binubuhay. Dahil yung iba gusto lang ng pera. Dahil gusto ko maging masaya. So we wanted to be a part of their everyday para samahan namin sila harapin yung mga dahil nila sa araw-araw.
So sa kadahilan ng masarap naman talagang kumain at uminom ng kape, 'di ba? Tayo mga Pinoy, merong ganitong coffee shop, 'di ba? Okay, so kamusta ang sweldo? Kamusta ang sweldo ng mga employees? Kamusta ang kita? Kamusta? Since October?
Since October, we are really going good po. There were rocky months.
Oh, may challenges
yes. Siguro party po talaga kasi siya ng business, no? Being into business, part yung meron kayong pinagdadaan ng challenges. But a part of that is also learning kung paano maaayos yung mga challenges na yon. And so with that, we are able to fix things to make everything work para maging successful pa po yung business.
Yun di ba? Yun talaga yun. And then, would you recommend na would you recommend na okay magnegosyo ang mga magkakamag-anak?
Personally, kami po,
Oo,
yes.
no?
Kasi lumaki po talaga kaming very close with each other.
Yes.
So, wala po kaming, kung meron man kaming problema, madali kasi namin siyang naaayos. So, I think for me, yes, it's okay naman po to do business with your relatives
Kasi
or with
naman,
your siblings.
syempre, the trust is there.
Yes,
diba?
exactly.
The confidence, hindi ba? Na pwede nyong pagsabayin ang negosyo habang kayo hindi ba, nagko-communicate as siblings.
Yes, kasi medyo kilala nyo na po yung isa't isa. So, you are able to communicate very well
Hindi
with
lang
them.
medyo kilala nyo
Yes.
talaga. May time ba na may mga, meron din kayong mga, konting mga disagreement?
Kami po kasi lumaki kami na we're very open. So, kung ano yung mga kailangan namin sabihin sa isa't isa, we're able to communicate it easily. So, wala kaming masyadong nagiging mga disagreements. It's more on batuhan ng mga ideas.
Oo, yun
and
yun
then, we come up to a point na we're gonna be agreeing on something na kung ano yung magiging decision namin sa mga decisions sa business.
Oo. And speaking of business, may plano kayong palakihin ito, di ba? Nagki-cater na rin kayo. You can...
Right now po, people are coming into us, reserving yung, especially yung upstairs area po namin.
Kasi dalawang floors ito, hindi lang dito Meron din sa taas.
Opo, nagpa-reserve sila usually for events, small events.
Yes.
Meron nagpa-reserve for small birthday parties, surprise for bridal showers,
Pwede.
room to be.
Pwede.
Tapos sometimes po, they also hold classes here for arts and crafts. And mostly
Or
yung
mga workshops, no?
Yes, opo,
Pwede.
workshops. And madalas, syempre, yung mga students po come in here to study. And some yung mga work from home setup. They are also able to work here kasi we
Parang
also...
co-working space na rin siya
Yes,
talaga.
we also offer po Wi-Fi, free
Nice.
Wi-Fi, and they can plug in their gadgets easily.
Oo. And then, from what time to what time kayo open?
We're open from 12 noon to 12 a.m. daily.
Yun, pwede yun. Hanggang 12 a.m.
Yes.
Aba, very good yun. Nakakapagpahinga pa naman kayo.
Opo, yes.
Masaya naman nag-enjoy kayo.
Yes, we enjoy. Opo.
Okay. Kung ako mag-order, ano marirecommend mo sa akin? Anong kakainin natin?
Personally, ako po, my favorite here is the tapsilog.
Okay.
And also the adobo flakes.
Okay.
Yan.
Kaya natin tapsilog. Alam mo naman magaling. Effective
I'll
ka
make
endorser Saya mo tapsilog. Wow, tingnan mo. Ito, yung tapa, do you make it from scratch?
Yes, opo.
Wow. Paano nyo niluluto itong tapa na to?
Very simple lang po. Kung paano nyo po ginagawa in the house, usually, just fry it. Ganun lang po. We wanted to make everything simple and very, yung parang at home lang po yung mga pumapasok dito na tao.
Malambot. Anong part ng baka to? Malambot, ano? Para siyang lomo, para siyang loin, para siyang no? Sarap. Siyempre, itlog, kailangan talaga. Sa mga tapsilog, talagang kumpleto talaga. Okay, anong price range ng mga pagkain? Paano ginagawa ng pricing nito? Kasi siyempre, ang market nyo, kailangan na swak sa budget nila, di ba?
Our price range for the food and the drinks usually ranges from 100 to 200 pesos.
Ayun.
Affordable naman.
Affordable. Sana mas marami pa kayong mga branches, no? Nakikita nyo ba yung, meron ba kayong parang inclined ba kayo na dito sa mga ganito mga neighborhood magtayo? Kasi may charm yung neighborhood cafe, hindi ba?
Yes.
So ito ba yung parang sinasabi, parang ito yung market nyo, ito yung niche nyo, or you want to diversify and go to the malls or the big places?
Our goal po talaga is to make the business grow more. We wanted to venture into franchising. We're actually preparing and studying for it since medyo marami na rin po kasi kami nakukuha mga inquiries for franchise. So, yun po yung isa namin inaaral ngayon.
Pwede yun. At dahil sa coffee yan, ha?
Love Tony